In this problem, we have an object that is moving in space with a velocity vector VOM bar. Okay, so because the object is moving, its horizontal distance as well as its height has to change. So the horizontal distance, which we usually write as u, will change, and also the height of the object. Now because the image object is here, its image must form at this point. Let's say the image is also moving with a velocity VIM bar. This is because even the object is moving. So because the image is moving, its horizontal distance along the principal axis, which we write as V, and its height from the principal axis, which we write as HI, they both change simultaneously. Now we have to find the relation between the velocity of the object and velocity of the image. This involves finding the relation between the velocity component along the principal axis of the object and velocity component along the principal axis of the image, and velocity component perpendicular to the principal axis of the object and velocity component of the image perpendicular to the principal axis. So these two we have to find. To do this, we'll start with mirror equation. Mirror equation says 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Now we differentiate this with respect to time. So since the focal length for a given length is always constant, 1 by f is constant. As a result, d by dt of 1 by f is 0. So we get d by dt of 1 by u plus d by dt of 1 by v as 0. Now d by dt of 1 by v is minus 1 by u square du by dt and minus 1 by v square dv by dt. This whole thing is equal to 0. Now we can write du by dt as velocity of the object with respect to mirror, and this component is parallel to the principal axis. So we write it in this notation, and similarly dv by dt is equal to velocity of the image with respect to mirror, and it is along the principal axis. So we finally get minus 1 by u square VOM, which is a parallel component, minus 1 by v square into VIM, which is also parallel to the principal axis, and this whole thing is equal to 0. And finally we get velocity of the object with respect to mirror and is parallel to the principal axis is equal to minus u square by v square into velocity of the image with respect to mirror and is parallel to the principal axis. Okay, so this is the relation we have derived right now. Now let's derive this. To do this, what I'll do is I'll start with the magnification. So the magnification is given by height of the image divided by height of the object. Okay, now again this can be written as hi is equal to ho into m. Since m is constant, when we differentiate this comes out of the differentiation. Now we differentiate this to find out the velocity components perpendicular to the principal axis. So that is d by dt of hi is equal to m into d by dt of h naught. So this gives us velocity of the image with respect to mirror and perpendicular to the principal axis is equal to m into velocity of the object with respect to mirror perpendicular to the principal axis. Okay, so these are the two relations which we have derived right now.